Why are so many people suddenly putting VapoRub on their knees before bed? At first glance, it doesn't make any sense. But once you see this simple homemade recipe from start to finish, you'll understand why so many people have been talking about it. Stay with me until the end. Whether you're curious or simply enjoy learning new homemade ideas, let's prepare it together step by step so you don't miss a single detail. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric into a small mixing bowl. This bright golden spice has been treasured for centuries in traditional wellness practices around the world. Now it's time for the second ingredient. Add a generous amount of VapoRub. Yes, the same one that's probably sitting in your medicine cabinet right now. As soon as it combines with the turmeric, you'll notice a refreshing menthol aroma filling the air. While the mixture begins taking on a smooth consistency, many people enjoy VapoRub because its cooling sensation can create a comforting feeling on the skin. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil has been valued for generations, not only in the kitchen but also in traditional beauty and skincare routines. It is naturally rich in moisturizing. Keep stirring slowly and thoroughly. Don't rush this part. The better everything is mixed, the smoother the final paste will become. A well-blended mixture spreads more evenly and stays consistent throughout the application. Now comes the ingredient that surprises almost everyone. Add half a tablespoon of cornstarch. It may sound unusual, but don't skip this step. Cornstarch works as a natural thickener, helping bind all the ingredients together into a stable paste that stays where you apply it. Instead of sliding off the skin, it gives the mixture a smooth, creamy finish and improves the overall texture, making it easier to massage into the desired area. Continue mixing until there are no lumps remaining. The final mixture should be completely smooth, evenly golden, thick enough to stay in place, yet soft enough to spread without difficulty. If needed, stir for another minute until every ingredient is fully incorporated. Comment yes if you're planning to try this homemade recipe. Now I'll show you exactly how to use it. Take a generous amount of the finished mixture and apply it directly to your knees. You can also use it on your ankles, wrists, elbows, lower back, or other areas that feel stiff after everyday activities. Using gentle circular motions, slowly massage the mixture into the skin for several minutes. This helps distribute the paste evenly while turning the application into a relaxing part of your nighttime routine. After massaging, wrap the area loosely with plastic wrap to help keep the mixture in place while you rest. Leave it on overnight if it's comfortable for you, or for several hours before rinsing it off with warm water. Many people prefer applying it just before bedtime because it gives the mixture plenty of time to remain on the skin without interruption. For best consistency, repeat this routine each evening for 7 consecutive nights without skipping a day. Like many homemade wellness routines, consistency is often considered more important than using a large amount all at once. Now here's the secret you've been waiting for. Many people enjoy this homemade blend because the combination creates a warming and cooling sensation that can feel soothing after a long day. The turmeric provides a traditional wellness ingredient. The VapoRub delivers its familiar cooling comfort. The olive oil helps moisturize and soften the skin. And the cornstarch keeps everything blended into a smooth, easy-to-apply paste. Together, these ingredients create a comforting homemade treatment that many people enjoy as part of their evening relaxation routine. Keep in mind that this is a traditional home remedy and not a medically proven treatment for joint pain or arthritis. Results can vary from person to person. If you have sensitive skin, test a small amount on a small area first.